BMW's iconic R series represents a legacy of open-road adventure, touring comfort, and classic boxer twin power. As the manufacturer gears up for the 2024 model year, new and exciting details about the BMW R12 model have emerged. If you're considering adding this legendary machine to your garage, looking beyond the hype is essential. So, let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2024 BMW R12. The BMW R12 lineage is steeped in nearly a century of motorcycle engineering and design innovation. Its roots stretch back to the groundbreaking R32 of 1923, the first bike to wear the BMW badge. Over the decades, the R series has evolved from practical machines into technological marvels, but a few core elements have always been preserved. The air-cooled boxer twin engine, shaft drive, and a focus on long-distance riding are hallmarks of the R12 experience. Previous models have cemented reputations for reliability and mechanical sophistication, potentially setting the stage for the 2024 iteration to redefine the category. The R12 inherits its 1,170cc air-oil-cooled boxer twin heart from the R12 9T, a power plant with roots tracing back to the 2007 HP 2 Sport. However, BMW tunes this version more for low-end torque and A2 license compliance, resulting in a relaxed yet capable character. Expect a peak output of around 94 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 81.1 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. While less potent than the 9T, this engine promises smooth, accessible power delivery, ideal for relaxed cruising and comfortable all-day rides. BMW couples this engine with a reliable 6-speed transmission and its signature shaft final drive, ensuring low-maintenance operation. New for 2024 is a redesigned exhaust system and underseat airbox, potentially contributing to a subtle refinement of the engine's classic boxer soundtrack. This simplified approach caters to riders seeking a less complicated, torque-focused experience. The only downside is that the boxer engine does come up short when it comes to acceleration. It is a tad slow to respond, but this should not be an issue for a cruiser. The BMW R12 series represents how meticulous attention to ergonomics and ride quality can significantly elevate the motorcycling experience. The ergonomically optimized seat heights are central to this achievement, designed to cater to riders of diverse statures. The series introduces a lower seat height option of 29.7 inches, enhancing accessibility and instilling confidence during stops and low-speed maneuvers. This is complemented by a standard seat height that accommodates a comfortable and commanding ride position across a spectrum of rider heights. The thoughtful engineering extends to the fuel tank, which is crafted to be shorter and narrower than traditional designs, improving the rider's reach to the ground and handlebars, and facilitating superior control and maneuverability. The R12 doesn't skimp on the underpinnings. It features 45mm USD forks, non-adjustable, and an adjustable rear monoshock. The 19-inch front and 16-inch rear wheels, wrapped in narrower tires, contribute to its cruiser-inspired stance. Combined with a longer wheelbase and revised rake angle, this setup should provide a stable yet maneuverable ride, well suited for both relaxed cruising and carving those long, sweeping curves. The R12 is no slouch when it comes to handling and braking. The foundation of its handling excellence is a new one-piece tubular steel frame, offering enhanced structural rigidity for responsive and precise maneuverability. This, coupled with a carefully calibrated geometry, ensures a balance between agility and stability, allowing the bike to confidently tackle urban environments and winding roads. Lightweight materials are strategically used to reduce overall weight, further improving its nimble characteristics. Braking in the bike series is equally impressive. It features a comprehensive system equipped with twin 310mm discs, radially mounted 4-piston monoblock brake calipers at the front, and a single 265mm disc with a 2-piston floating caliper at the rear. This setup delivers progressive and powerful stopping ability. Additionally, the inclusion of BMW Motorrad ABS Pro as standard provides an extra layer of safety, preventing wheel lockup under emergency braking and ensuring maximum control and stability, even on slippery surfaces or during cornering. The BMW R12 series showcases cutting-edge infotainment and safety features that blend seamlessly into its classic design, offering riders the perfect mix of traditional aesthetics and modern technology. Central to its infotainment system is an optional digital TFT display that provides crisp, clear information at a glance, whether it's navigation, ride data, or connectivity options. Riders can easily connect their smartphones via Bluetooth, allowing for effortless integration with the BMW Motorrad connected app. This app enables navigation and ride tracking, allowing riders to access vehicle data and manage music or calls, enhancing the riding experience without compromising safety or convenience. Safety in this bike is paramount, with advanced features designed to protect the rider. Dynamic traction control and ABS Pro ensure optimal control under acceleration and braking, significantly reducing the risk of slips or falls, especially in adverse conditions. For added visibility, the bike comes equipped with powerful LED lighting, including an optional adaptive headlight pro that illuminates corners more effectively, ensuring safer night riding. The keyless ride system enhances convenience by enabling ignition without the need to physically use a key, adding a layer of security and ease. This motorcycle meets and exceeds expectations by integrating these sophisticated infotainment and safety technologies, especially at this price point. The R12 series marries classic allure with modern design principles, achieving a standout aesthetic in today's motorcycle market. Drawing on the rich heritage of BMW motorcycles, the bike features a minimalist yet bold design, showcasing the unmistakable boxer engine that not only serves as a nod to its lineage, but also enhances its visual appeal. The range of color options, from understated classics to vibrant metallics, allows each bike to express a unique character, catering to diverse rider preferences. Craftsmanship is evident in every aspect of the R12's design, with brushed metal accents and a careful integration of technology that maintains its retro charm while ensuring functionality. The design transcends mere appearance, with the ergonomically optimized fuel tank and handlebars, enhancing rider comfort, and the bike's streamlined profile, improving aerodynamic performance. This harmony between form and function ensures the bike series is as enjoyable to ride as it is to behold. The BMW R12's air oil-cooled boxer engine is known for its endurance and relatively straightforward upkeep. This dependability is integral to the bike, ensuring riders enjoy more time navigating the roads and less time in maintenance. The motorcycle's design emphasizes ease of maintenance. Its modular structure allows quick access to essential components, streamlining routine upkeep and reducing the complexity of repairs. Supported by BMW's extensive network of dealers and service centers, riders can access expert assistance and authentic parts, simplifying maintenance efforts. Reasonably high-quality materials and components are used throughout the motorcycle, reducing the chances of mechanical issues and ensuring longevity. The R12 incorporates a steel fuel tank with a distinct design inspired by the iconic 1970s BMW 5 model's toaster tanks, featuring a teardrop shape. This choice in design contributes to the motorcycle's classic aesthetic while aligning with modern functional requirements. The tank holds up to 14 liters, a design decision critical to the motorcycle's overall fuel management strategy. Due to the tank's smaller capacity than other models, the maximum range on a full tank is estimated to be around 170 miles. This range isn't the best in this class, but it isn't impossible to live with. The BMW R12 is priced at a competitive starting manufacturer's suggested retail price of $12,345, not including destination charges. This pricing makes the bike an attractive option within its category, offering significant value against its higher-priced competitors. While some might see it as a stripped-down 9T, which it is in many ways, it is not a bad thing. By blending BMW's iconic design and engineering with an affordable price tag, this motorcycle stands as an appealing choice for enthusiasts and newcomers alike, ensuring access to BMW Motorrad's legacy of performance and quality without a hefty financial commitment. The 2024 BMW R12 has a robust limited warranty of 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever is reached first. This warranty specifically addresses any defects in materials and workmanship, ensuring that riders can depend on the enduring quality of their motorcycle. Highlighting BMW Motorrad's global support network, the warranty also includes a distinctive feature. Should any repairs be needed due to material or workmanship defects within 12 months following the expiration of the statutory warranty period, BMW Motorrad service partners and mechanics offer free repairs worldwide.